What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Supreme Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to put your Amazon affiliate links onto different websites and how to copy and paste it, where to find it, exactly a step-by-step breakdown of how to do it for beginners. And once you watch this video all the way to the end, you'll be a master at putting your Amazon affiliate links on all these websites, and I might even throw in a couple of websites that not a lot of people know about. So let's get right into the video. Alright, first things first, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on them post notifications, smash that like button, it really helps us out. And let's get right into showing you how to put your Amazon affiliate links onto different websites, social media pages, groups, forums, blogs, stuff like that. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and I'm going to give you a couple little tips about what not to do, so be sure to stick around to the end so you catch those. So if you're watching this, I figured you already made your Amazon affiliate account. If you don't have one yet, I'm going to make another video on how to create one, but this isn't that. We're going to just show you how to copy your links onto different places. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Amazon, right? And once you're an affiliate, you have this site stripe on the top right here. See, it says Amazon Associates Site Stripe. Now, this is going to be like your control panel for what you're going to, the products that you're going to be making links for. So let's just, as an example, let's just do electronics. Let's just do this Fire Stick here, right? Or we'll go for this #1 bestseller, right? Click on it. And once it brings you to the page about the product, you're going to see everything at the top. You're going to see the title, the price, everything. Be sure when you're making these links to find credible people that have good ratings, people that have just good sellers. You don't want to put shady people on there. You don't want to put people that have no history on there. Well, you see this one has 158,000 ratings. This one's by Amazon. If it's by Amazon, then you know that's 100% good. You're good to go. So we got our product. We picked it out. We want this Fire Stick, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to come to your Amazon site stripe up here. You're going to see where it says Get Link right there. You're going to click on Text. Now, you can also do an image, and it's got the link down there. You can also do text and an image. Depending on where you're posting this stuff, you know, it might just be better just to put text. It might be better to put the image in there. So, but for this tutorial, we're just going to do the text, right? So we're going to highlight it. So we're going to highlight it, copy, and once you got it copied, now there are many different websites to go to post these links on, and there's a couple of ones that you don't want to go to. I'm going to pull this up here for you, and these are places that you can possibly post your links on. We got Quora, question and answer sites, forums, Yahoo, Google, book clubs, Facebook groups. That's a really good one. Facebook groups. Instagram, all the social medias. YouTube, definitely YouTube on your videos and your description. Now, do not make one for Reddit. Do not try to put affiliate links onto Reddit, because I tried it, and when I tried it, it stopped you. It sent you a message saying it's breaking the terms of service. So you got to be careful. Some places might not let you post affiliate links, so just watch out for that. But for sure, Quora, you know, Facebook, YouTube, all them, they all got them. So we're just gonna do Quora is a example here for you, right? Now Quora is like a question and answer site, if you don't know. Now we're gonna search Quora. We're gonna search for Amazon Fire Stick. Now you see how to set up Amazon Fire Stick, Fire Stick user. We're just gonna click on how to set up Fire Stick. It looks like they took this one down. We'll have to go to a different one. Let's just do Amazon Fire Stick in general. And what this is people are going to post up questions. See, where is Disney Plus on Fire Stick? Now, the biggest thing for what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to add value to whatever you're doing. You can't just post a link and be like, buy from me. You can't do that. You got to go maybe answer the question, actually put some thought into it, have the right answer. That's why it's always good to do stuff that like say you're big into sports. Why don't you go do some sports products? Why don't you do some jerseys? And go on to Quora, go on a Facebook jersey group or a Facebook sneaker group or something like that. Whatever interests you, that's going to be the stuff that you know more about. So you can answer people's questions better. You can know what you're talking about. So just make sure to do that and make sure to add value. That's the biggest thing. Comment down below if you've never done this before and there's videos helping you out. Comment down below if there's videos giving you value. You're going to take what you learned and go ahead and go make some money on the internet. And like the video, subscribe, turn on them post notifications if you want more videos just like this. Alright, so moving on, let's just do where's Disney Plus on Fire Stick, right? We're going to click on that question. Now, there's no answers yet. We can be the first one to answer this, right? So right here it says answer. We're going to write our answer. We're going to say you have to download Disney Plus in the Amazon App Store. And we'll write, you can find it in the top left corner by the magnifying glass, the search button. And then after you got that, maybe go down, type in, this is the best deal for a Fire Stick right now. Boom. Go ahead, paste, right? So you got everything you need. You got your link. You got your answer to your question. You added value. You're telling them how to do something. You're not just posting in your link so that's all that they see. Now you got all that. Go ahead and click submit. And it's as easy as that, guys. You just go ahead. You just do this hundreds of times, do it thousands of times. And like before, we could have picked with an image. We could have had the picture of the Fire Stick. Maybe it would have made it look a little nicer. But this is what you got to do, man. This is affiliate marketing online, and I'm just starting out on this myself. So I figured I would show you guys how to do it. If you like it, if this video helps you out, smash that like, subscribe. And this is so simple to do, guys. You just have to have the time, really, and just the want to do it. If you want to have your own money, if you want to make your own money at home, if you want to put your own hours in, if you want to be your own boss, this is the way to go. And this ain't the only thing that you can do now. So let's just go to my YouTube channel, right? I'm going to go to my YouTube channel. We can go on videos here. And I'm going to go to an old video that I did. that doesn't have any links in the description. I'm going to show you. So, how to download an app on a Fire Stick, right? Perfect video to put a affiliate link into, right? So we're going to go to edit video. And once we're in here, oh, I actually do have a link. Look at right here. This is what I put. I put buy your Fire Sticker Android box today. And then I got my affiliate link. And then underneath that I say Amazon link, amazing prices. So that way they know it's coming from Amazon. They know they can trust it. They don't got nothing to worry about. And that's all you got to do. And when people click on your link, if they buy anything within the next 24 hours off of Amazon, you get that commission. It's going to be usually around 4 to 8%, 5 to 10%. It could be a little lower, but that's about the average depending on the type of product that you got. And it couldn't be simpler, everyone. Couldn't be simpler. Just such an easy thing to do. Anyone can do it. And just stick around. Keep checking back on the channel. Me making plenty more videos showing you how to do all this stuff. If you're brand new and you haven't done any of this yet, first thing I suggest that you do is make either a YouTube channel that is a how-to, and do it about something that you like. If you like sports, do it about sports. If you like board games, do it about board games. If you like video games, do it about games. It could be about anything, guys. Just pick a subject, pick a niche, and then start doing your affiliates. Make sure you make your affiliate link. For YouTube, you have to have 1,000 watch hours, or no, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours before you can start putting ads on. So making an affiliate link is the perfect thing to do if you want to have something generating income before that. I think that about does it for today's video, guys. If this helps you out, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. We're going to help you grow your YouTube channel. We're going to help you grow your affiliate marketing network. We're going to help you make money online and not have to work at a 9-to-5 job, which is what I do not want to do. I don't want anyone telling me when I have to come to work, when I have to leave. I want to be able to be my own boss. So just subscribe, like the video if it helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.